So we've got the map module here where you can put in a location for any of your photos, and you'll see here, like ours were taken in Derry here. So I'm just going to zoom right in, and you can come in and you can put in, you can search locations, you can tag locations, put in keywords, all that sort of stuff as well. But just for now, look, we're going to come right in here and find. Okay, so for instance, here's the Peace Bridge. Okay, here's the Peace Bridge. So this is the Ebrington site where we were doing our walkabout. Here is St. Colum's Park. So it was all within a stone's throw of each other. Here's the Peace Bridge, and we can just take an image and drop it onto the map where the image was taken, if you know where that is. Now, what's really cool about that is that that will automatically create, look, your GPS coordinates for where you took it. It will add that into the metadata of your photo. And so for instance, all of these, look, all of these from here right across to, let's say here, they were all taken round about the same location. So I'm just going to pop them on there, and all of a sudden you've got 22 photos that were taken in that location. So here's St. Colum's Park. These are the woods where we were standing in. So for instance, let's just take the shots of the statue. All right, let's go. So what's also handy about this is that if you take some photos that you're really happy with and you can't remember where the location was, or you're just a bit iffy about, oh, where was that, a couple of years later, this is really handy because it just puts in the GPS coordinates so you can find it on a sat nav or your phone or whatever. I'm just going to drop them into here, and there you go. You've 22 photos. There's a coincidence for you. 22 photos there and 22 photos there. Right, cool. So that's a really nice feature that you can do. And any one of these now, if I select them individually, you'll see that they all have the GPS coordinates put in there. And then as well, back into your filters, you can filter by tagged locations. So now this is saying, look, these are the photos that are tagged. I'm going to go back to none, and it allows me to tag these ones as well if I wanted to. Yeah, but we don't have to do that for now. You get the point.